went down a rapid and then you thought you had it on video, but then it was on camera.
Yeah. Yeah, that sucks.
I think it has happened to everybody.
Step back. Are you scared? Are you worried?
I have a respect for the river.
Oh yeah,
For the water?
Yeah, that's good. I agree. I agree.
Cool.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good. We're gonna turn it. It's gonna be all right.
Send some gnarly gnar. Okay.
I'm ready. I already watched the spot. I gotta go right here. Go on this side of that. And just get straight. You see where that is
Small hump.
Yeah.
Right there.
Small little rooster too.
Yeah. Right there.
Yeah, right there.
Just send it off. Or how are you gonna hit that? Are you just gonna move off of it?
I just gotta work with it.
See how it goes.
Yeah, you just gotta try to stay here.
Try to stay in the middle because you're clear.
Because the main current goes pushing against that right there.
And if you stay on this left side of it, it's gonna push you right where you want to be. You follow that line.
Yeah.
Boom.
Exactly.
Nice, man. I think you're good. Step back. You want to set safety or you want to? Yeah. Okay, safety. Cool. Alright, you go get down there, and by the time you're ready to go, you should be there. And yeah, we're ready, man. Good luck. I'm gonna be right here videoing.
Drinking a German beer with a Cuban cigar in the middle of Paris with a Dominican bar. Great head on her shoulder, she probably studied abroad. She transferred to Harvard from King's College in March. She says that I'm her favorite cause she admires the art. Michelangelo with the flow, Picasso with the bars. She's well put together like a piece by Gershwin, Renaissance style. Tonight is picture perfect, so smile and pack your bags real good, baby, cause you'll be gone for a while. Girl, tell me how you feel. What's your fantasy, yo? I see it's on the beach down in Mexico. You can put your feet up, be my senorita. We ain't gotta rush, just take it slow. You'll be in the highlight, soaking up the sunlight. Anything you want, it's yours. I have you living life like you should. You say you never had it so good. You never had it so good. First class cabin fever, 5-hour layovers from Norway to Egypt. I'm to the point like the pyramids of Giza. Still I'm to the left like the tower out in Pisa. I'm feeling single, baby, I could use a feature. Swagger like Caesar, I'll get you a visa. We can go to Italy and maybe see the Colosseum. I'll be Da Vinci if you be my Mona Lisa and I smile. So pack your bags real good, baby, cause you'll be gone for a while. Girl, tell me how you feel. What's your fantasy, yo? I see it's on the beach down in Mexico. You can put your feet up, be my senorita. We ain't gotta rush, just take it slow. You'll be in the highlight, soaking up the sunlight. Anything you want, it's yours. I have you living life like you should. You say you never had it so good. You never had it so good. You never had it so good. Well, I've been feeling singular. How about let's make it plural? Spin the globe, wherever it lands, that's where we'll go. We'll hit up Europe, yeah, and spend some euros. Or maybe visit Berlin, the walls with the murals. This is your month, baby, sign of the Virgo. Private reservations, glasses full of Merlot. A rosé, a burgundy, traveling like turbo. Brush up on your Espanol, we're Barcelona bound, so smile. So pack your bags real good, baby, cause you'll be gone for a while. Girl, tell me how you feel. What's your fantasy, yo? I see it's on the beach down in Mexico. You can put your feet up, be my senorita. We ain't gotta rush, just take it slow. You'll be in the highlight, soaking up the sunlight. Anything you want, it's yours. I have you living life like you should. You say you never had it so good. You never had it so good.
It's a big slide.